Hi guys, hi, it's me again. Me, maybe not only me, no.
Gabrielle.
Yes, this is Gabrielle. It's our first time. It is our first time, not true?
Yeah.
So, there's not really much we're going to be talking about, but we're going to be talking about her.
Yeah.
We're going to be talking about you.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Gabrielle,
Yes.
when having a daughter, it can be an amazing thing, even a child.
Yeah.
She is very adorable.
Yeah. Am I 6?
She's 6 years old. Okay. Now, knowing that you have a child inspires you.
Yeah.
A child will motivate you.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You motivate mommy?
No.
Gabrielle says she don't motivate mommy. Look. Oh God, me feel weird. Me feel really away. Why did you say that? You don't motivate mommy?
No.
Oh my God. Lord have mercy no. Me have to go check a rain check again because it's really serious. This really serious. You inspire mommy?
No.
Really? You don't inspire mommy?
No.
Lord Jesus. No man. No, me have to go talk to her, you know. Because me not understand them something, you know. So you don't love mommy?
No.
Yeah. Jesus. He gets serious now. She don't love mommy. God have
Yes.
mercy. Mommy love you now?
Yes.
Lord God. See I love mommy?
Yes.
God. Listen, me have to ask her. She said, excuse her. She said she don't, I don't motivate her, you know. You don't motivate me?
No.
Lord Jesus.
Yes.
Lord God. You change your statement? She changed her statement. She changed her statement. Yes. See, she laughed too much, she even a cough. Lord Jesus. Oh my God.